Magaling ba? Magaling mga tao dito. Dito ng pagod.
Pagod din. Okay, we're in the US. That's my breath.
Sa 6 ko. Para kang nasa ano talaga, Frozen.
Hey guys, so after 2.5 hours flight from Manila, we finally arrived in Hong Kong. First international trip namin po ng family after how many years of back and forth planning. Well, we finally made it here, so samahan nyo kami.
Ano? Chubbies! Let's go, let's go! So we are now in the airport of Hong Kong. Nag-aantay lang kami ng train so we can get our check-in baggage. At bahala na saan kami makarating.
And yes guys, we need to ride the train para makarating to the other side of the airport to pick up our check-in baggage and dumaan ng immigration. Ganon kalaki ang airport nila. Anyway, free service naman siya so hindi nyo pa kailangan dito ng octopus card or any payment. So there will be another immigration bago tayo officially makapasok ng Hong Kong, but compared to Philippines, grabe, walang tanong-tanong kaya sobrang bilis lang. May mga guide din naman dito so hindi ka talaga maliligaw. Magkasunod lang ang immigration and baggage reclaim area, kaya naman dire-diretso ka na talaga dito paglabas. By the way, hindi na nasama sa video pero nag-withdraw na kami ng cash through HSBC.
Sige nga, bitawan mo nga siya. Oh.
Hindi nga pala kami nag-avail ng octopus card since we opted for GoTime. Bawat isa sa amin ay merong GoTime, although may dala din kaming octopus card na pinahiram ng friends just for backup. For GoTime kasi, since it's Visa card, may mga buses na hindi ito nag-work, although you can still pay through cash, pero dapat sakto yung amount. So dahil 3 PM pa ang check-in namin sa aming Airbnb, susulitin na namin ang oras. We are first heading to Ngongping 360 cable car since napakalapit lang nito sa airport. Sasakay tayo ng bus S1 going to Tung Chung para makarating sa cable car terminal, which will only take us 10 minutes. By the way, one thing we realized din pala guys, okay rin palang may octopus card lalo na kung more on bus ang sasakyan nyo. What we liked about GoTime kasi is easy transfer back and forth, lower exchange rate, and check mo transaction history mo through their app.
What?
At dahil marami kaming dala, dadaan muna tayo ng Citygates Outlet Mall para mag-locker ng ating mga gamit.
Dali mo yung maleta ko kasi yung tita mo ay magagala.
Grabe guys, sobrang convenient ng idea na to for travelers. Meron silang self-service locker area where you can fit all your luggages. May different sizes available sila from small to medium to large, kaya pwede din kayo mag-share sa space. Itong in-avail nga pala namin is medium kasi ito lang yung available sa area na napuntahan namin. And just be careful na kung saang side na machine kayo nag-avail, doon din kayo mag-claim later. 10 AM nag-open ang cable car terminal, so dahil tanghali na nakarating, medyo mahaba na ang pila. Buti na lang at nabook na namin to sa Klook just few days ago. Another option you have guys, kung makarating kayo dito na super haba na ng pila, pwede kayong mag-bus going to Ngongping Village and pabalik na lang kayo mag-cable car kasi mas less daw ang pila doon. So ito na nga ang convenience ng advanced booking guys. Parang naka-express lane kami bigla nung sineparate na yung pila. Siguro dahil din crystal cabin kasi itong in-avail namin, mas konti ang pila kaysa sa regular cable car which is cheaper pero konti lang naman ang difference.
Baby, di naman baby, baby. Okay, so ano masasabi mo B yung weather dito sa Baguio?
Parang ano, it's a... Para lang siyang mga ano, pinalakasan na aircon. Para kayo mga hotdog na nasa freezer.
Ako parang feeling nuggets na nasa freezer.
Nuggets? Feeling tosino.
Alright, naka-scar.
Ano daw feeling?
Was
Wow!
exciting. Excited ako sa makain na parang natakot ako.
Etong batuta nga pala na to ay free entrance dito sa cable car, although kasali siya sa capacity count. Actually, sa lahat pala ng in-avail naming activities sa buong Hong Kong trip na to, including Disneyland, free lang siya. Usually, 3 years old below ang laging free sa mga attractions dito, even sa mga trains and buses. O diba nakatipid pa din kahit araw-araw pagod sa kakulitan?
Yay! Oh no, kailangan ko siyang buhatin. Not all.
Uy, nakakatakot! Parang nakikiliti yung chan ko.
Ganda!
Yung wire pala mismo gumagalaw.
Ay, tapos na?
Hanggang dito lang tayo.
Hanggang dito na tayo?
Oo, si sumisigaw doon eh.
Uy, picture na tayo!
Ano? Okay pa tayo dyan? Yes, B, okay pa ba tayo dyan?
Barko na ng container. Paglabas mo, pagbukas ang pinto, nagsisigawan pa rin. Kapatid niya.
Kumusta na tayo dyan? Uy!
Hagdan pa nga lang.
Uy! Uy! Ano na tayo dyan?
Hello vlog, grabe nakakatakot. So, gusto nyo matry yung momping. Huwag nyo na i-try. Nakakatakot, nakakaba. Experience. Try mo na. Huwag tayong bumalik. Charot.
Momping is not for the weak.
We are now here at Ngong Ping Village. Grabe, parang ang layo pa din ng Big Buddha. Parang mahaba-habang lakaran pa para makarating dun na. Grabe, sobrang thank you Lord for a very good weather throughout this Hong Kong trip. We really prayed for this dahil based sa weather forecast ay cloudy at maulan itong week ng travel namin. So guys, always check the weather forecast. So since sa Citygate talaga namin plan mag-lunch, hanap muna kami ng pwedeng snacks here. Marami ka namang choices na kainan kaso medyo pricey. Until we found a familiar name, Subway! Grabe, ang sarap ng veggies nila dito. Lasang freshly made talaga. Tapos ang lamig ng vegetables. Ang sarap ng combo sa sandwich. Here guys, one of the must-try food in Hong Kong. Medyo pricey for a waffle, pero worth the try naman. Masarap siya in fairness.
Waffle! Oy! Oy! Ano na kayo dyan? Uy! Did you like it? Hingi mama? Hingi mama? Hingi ako? Hingi ako?
By the way, wala nang kailangan pang entrance fees dito. Talagang yung cable car lang ang ginastos namin for this activity. Sa pagod, hindi na nga pala namin akyat yung Big Buddha guys. Kasi to be honest, sobrang excited namin for this trip, puro kami walang maayos na tulog. Well, except pala to my parents na nakarating talaga hanggang tuktok kung sino pa ang senior no?
Run, Naruto! Run! Run!
So, bumalik lang kami ng Citygate outlet to have late lunch. Grabe, more than an hour yata yung biyahe namin via bus going back here. Pero buti na din kasi nakapahinga at idlip kami. So, pumunta kami dito sa food court area ng Citygate Mall para madaming mapagpilian for food. The cheapest meal is nasa 60 Hong Kong dollar.
Say hi.
Airbnb nga pala guys ang napili namin accommodation since family kami or big group. Mas mura din siya and spacious compared sa mga hotels nila dito. Highly recommended ko itong nakuha namin guys, lalo na kung may kids kayo or napakakulit na toddlers tulad nito. And I promise to give you a tour sa aming last day guys kasi nagmamadali na talaga kami para makahabol sa city bus tour for our next activity. Watch out for the tour na lang sa day 5.
Where your bonnet?
Oh, you're so happy!
Hello!
So cold!
sa Japan.
Parang sa Tokyo eh.
By the way guys, napakalapit lang namin sa MTR station. May mas malapit pa sa kabilang side. Literal, natatawid ka lang. Kaso pag doon kasi kami dumaan ngayon is mapapalayo kami.
Lagi nagmamadali mga tao dito.
They're so busy.
Parang hindi pwede
It's a
babagal-bagal.
busy city.
Hindi pwede babagal-bagal guys. Nakakailang shifting na kami sa Jarvis.
We found this on TikTok and sakto siya sa schedule namin kaya we opted for a night tour. Okay, so we're here for the hop on hop off sightseeing. Mas okay talaga mag-book from Klook kasi para kaming naka-express lane.
Mag-ano? Saan ba tayo sa unahan
Ang haba ng pila naman.
Wag, doon tayo sa dulo. Labas tayo.
So dito, akala namin ng una, super late na kami kasi alas 7 yung start. Sunod-sunod pala yung dating ng mga bus, so kahit malate, okay lang.
Let's go, let's go.
Now it's time to bid farewell to
Still surviving the first day! Parang mapapaos na kami sa lamig. Are you excited, Jarvis? Are you excited? Mapapasabi ka talagang ang ganda ng Hong Kong kahit gabi, and they have very amazing buildings and structures. So we just waited to reach Tsim Sha Tsui and bumaba na kami para lakarin na lang going back to our Airbnb.
Ay, baka may
Okay, we're day 2.
Baka may
Day 2.
Day 2 na.
Wow naman! Wow! Ang pogi naman yan! Upa!
Yung building ng aming Airbnb. May katabing 7-Eleven and then this is the entrance.
Tayo! Where's tayo? Dapat 20 seconds. Dapat 2 minutes.
Let's go, day 2.
Sasama ako dito sa Milan.
Day 2 ng pagod. Another day to survive.
Day 2 pagod
Taquido.
dito, Kido. Layo sa akin. Tayo sama asin.
Pag-charge. Pero naiwan yung battery. Very good. With go time, lagi kang safe sa ilong. Ha?
Ay, saan? Nasisilip din siya. Hello ka ma. Hello.
Welcome to
Japan. Sabi mo ma, day 2.
Day 2, guys. In fairness sa trains nila dito, guys, hindi pahirapan sa priority seat kahit maraming tao.
All the pilgrims walk like this.
This.
Yun yung medyo struggle. Kaya minsan kailangan namin magmadali kasi may oras yung mga activity. O syempre, ayaw mo naman saktuhan na peak na ng dami ng tao. So ayun, pero later makaka-ginhawa na. Mas light na yung activity later. More on picture taking na lang. Skyflakes.
More walking kami ngayon going to our first activity, which is the peak tram. Medyo nalito din kami sa daan kasi we tried shortcuts pero buti na lang may nakatoka talaga kami for directions. One very helpful tip, guys, pag madami kayo, magtoka-toka kayo ng assignments para walang stressed at pressured na panganay. Charot.
Pagod B. Punta kami ng peak tram. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin doon, sila nakakaalam. Kasi sunod lang tayo.
And again, another smooth entrance since we already booked this activity through Klook. By the way, guys, since this is a very popular attraction here in Hong Kong, mas okay puntahan to ng umaga and during weekdays. O kaya naman, pag no choice talaga, similar tip as the cable car, mas maiksi raw ang pila kapag pabalik. Tip, guys, make sure to sit on the right when going up for better view and sceneries. Sa left kasi yung mountainside talaga, kaya wala ka masyadong makikita. Naku naman anak, amazed na amazed. Okay pa ba tayo dyan? As part of the picture package we booked is the Sky Terrace 428. It's the highest observation deck in Hong Kong and sobrang ganda dito, guys. Pero hindi kami masyado nagtagal kasi sobrang lamig at mahangin. So after picture taking, bumalik na kami agad sa loob.
Basta kami. Sige, Bi. Iikot lang ko, Bi. Wait lang.
May nakita nga pala kaming cute na store for kids, so syempre kailangan matesting to ni Jarvis.
Mahal yan, Bi.
And then, pumasok kami sa mall, so sobrang lamig talaga sa labas. So, manap na din kami ng makakainan for lunch bago bumalik.
Alam mo kung may kwarto lang ako, mga tayo dito.
At syempre, kahit meron tayong McDonald's sa Pilipinas, dapat matry pa din yan dito sa Hong Kong. Iba talaga ang serving and menu nila sa ibang bansa. Wala lang rice, so humiwalay kami niyan kasi may dala kaming ulam ni Jarvis. At mukhang na-enjoy naman nila guys, sobrang nagustuhan daw nila yung chicken and burger. After eating lunch, nagbus na kami pabalik sa aming Airbnb para makapag-rest since the next activity is just nearby and walking distance from our place.
So, papunta pa po kami sa next destination. Okay, we're in the US.
Sila mama kasi pares na kalapin ang sa leeg.
Nakagloss ako. Okay, we're in US. Where are we? In the United States of America. Lamig na lamig ang gloves eh. Alam mo, fairness, effective siya kung nakagloves ka.
Yung open yung bus.
Gosh, it's so cold in here. Look at my breath.
Hindi kami nagkamali sa aming mga dinalang outfit.
For our next activity ay pupunta naman tayo ng Victoria Harbor. Tabi-tabi na dito yung mga sikat na attractions like the Clock Tower, Cultural Center, Avenue of Stars, and K11 Musea. And yes guys, napakalapit lang ng Airbnb namin dito. Pero sa 5 days namin, isang beses lang kami nakapunta. Medyo nagsisi kami na hindi namin siya nabalik-balikan, lalo na sa gabi.
Aren't you cold? You can borrow my gloves.
It's so cold guys, like we're here in the United States of the Hong Kong. Where is Jarvis? Baba, solo ka naman.
Jarvis, ganito ka Jarvis. Ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos ito. Angat mo isang pa. Angat mo isang pa. Gaya mo si tita, oh. Yan na nga, dumigit na.
So, hindi na nga kami nagpaabot pa ng gabi dahil may isa pa tayong pupuntahan today. So, bumalik muna kami saglit sa aming Airbnb para magpalit ng comfy outfit. By the way guys, mostly of the clips in this vlog are taken from Osmo Pocket 3. Syempre wala pa tayong pambili nito kaya I only rented this super cool device from a trusted group which is the GoPro for Rent PH. Check out their Facebook page to know more. Another must-try food here in Hong Kong ay itong sikat na egg tart from Bake House. Nag-advance order nga kami noong umaga pa lang at binalikan na lang sa hapon for pickup dahil grabe talaga ang haba ng pila.
Masarap siya kasi yung kanina. Yummy? Yummy? You like it? Masarap siya, in fairness.
Yan ang ano doon. Hawak ka rin.
Sorry siya, hawak.
This is the place where you can shop for pasalubong and souvenirs. Nilagay na talaga namin to sa day 2 kasi the following days are full day activities talaga. Dito sa Mongkok, mapupuntahan ang sikat na sneaker street at ladies market to purchase pasalubong, souvenirs, or in short, mag-shopping. Madami ding food trip area dito pero because of limited time left, nag-focus na lang kami sa pamimili. Isa nga sa inaabangan ko dito ay itong New Balance store para sa target kong shoes, lalo na hindi talaga ako nagdala ng sneakers. Sabi nga sa mga group is mas mura daw talaga ang mga shoes dito sa Hong Kong, which is true pero hindi naman sobrang laki ng difference. Pero meron sila dito mga model na hindi ko nakita sa Pinas. Tulad na lang nitong nabili ko, black talagang sole ang plano ko and I like this one kasi yung logo niya ay leather and hindi yung usual na nakikita ko na cloth.
So napansin ko, ang masarap sa kanya is yung mismong ice cream niya, sakto lang yung lasa, parang same lang sa Pilipinas. Pero may special dun sa mismong apat. We are here at Ladies Market. So, mahaba niya ganito. Tapos dito pa sa kabilang side. So, feeling ko buong street siya nabilihan ako sa luto. Sa dami ng tao, dito na lang kami dadaan dahil may dala kaming bata na naka-stroller.
Ano Sir Jonah?
Hindi kami sabay sa siksikan ng tao.
Sa 6 to?
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba sila ng
Tayo dapat yung nakaganyan.
Ito, Kim Chan.
So guys, legit pala talaga yung may nanghihila dito at sumusungit pag hindi kayo bumili. Willing sila ibagsak presyo, bumili ka lang. Kaya I suggest magtanong lang kayo pag bibili talaga kayo.
Olo, 80.
Ang very good na bata, natulog lang magdamag habang namimili sila mama.
So thankful talaga na lagi naka-backup sa amin kay Jarvis ang buong family, especially ang masipag na Lala and Lolo. Love you guys!
Searching for food, dinner time.
We found this popular Dim Dim Sum pero ang haba ng pila and mukhang wala silang nagustuhan hanggang sa nakarating na lang kami sa restaurant ito. Sorry di ko na na-note yung name. Okay naman yung food nila and serving. One thing we noticed dito kay Hong Kong is malalaki talaga ang serving nila. So we realized na 2 persons can already share in one meal. Mas tipid. So ganoon na yung ginawa namin technique in the next days.
Wow! Nako po, Chinese talaga. Nagustuhan yung seaweed soup. Nako po, hindi man singkit.
Nadaanan din nga pala namin tong DS Groceries where they have variety of products, especially chocolates na very affordable. Pero dahil kailangan natin mag-limit lang sa baggage at gastos, itong laruan na lang binili ko for Jarvis.
Binili ko sa kanya. Jarvis, look ko. What's this? Wow! Wow!
Sige. Konting arte pa. Okay. Yan.
Day 3. Day 3, mga brother and sisters. May nagko-photoshoot ng morning and merong nag-aasikaso. The mother of the child.
Day 3 guys is Macau Day and since Macau is only few hours away from Hong Kong, sinama na namin to sa aming itinerary. See how beautiful Macau is and imagine you can insert a side trip to another country for just 1 day and get another stamp on your passport. If you're interested to watch for guide and tips, I uploaded a separate vlog for this. Upon arriving back to Hong Kong, bumaba na kami a few blocks from our Airbnb for the birthday dinner ng aking sister-in-law. Medyo late na nga din for dinner dahil sa haba ng biyahe pabalik. Grabe guys. So we dined in here at Red Tea Restaurant, which is one of the recommended restaurants sa mga vlogs and Hong Kong groups.
Red tea for the birthday girl. Smile naman birthday girl kahit pagod na. Kamusta Macau guys? Macau na Macau pa ba tayo? Kinakaya ka pa ba namin, Jarvis? Say hi. Hi. You say hi. Aming choices. Meron pa dito sa likod.
Fried chicken with potato and salad.
This is
Buti nagdati-ati.
This is for 57. Here kay tita, dali. Let's go. Let's blow the candle. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday now. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. How old are you? 8? 8 ka na. 2. 8 ang alam. Natulog ka lang, 8 ka na. Lahat kami naka-red, black, white. Alam na saan kami pupunta.
Let's go! Hello! We're going to Disneyland! Lamig be. Lamig! Excited ka na mag-Disneyland? Yeah! You should! I don't like roller coaster!
Ito nga pala guys, yung sinasabi kong nearest MTR station sa amin, literal na tumawid lang kami. And dito sa loob, meron kaming go-to Japanese bakery kasi sobrang sarap talaga ng tinapay nila dito. They have beautiful cakes here and so many options for bread. Lahat gusto namin i-try. Perfect nga nito pang baon na breakfast or snack since this will be a long day at very expensive sa Disney. For payment naman, gamit na gamit talaga sa amin ng GoTime and it's also accepted here.
Hello, birthday boy! We're in Disneyland! Hello, Mickey! Is that you, Mickey? Ikaw si Mickey? Wow! Come here, Mickey! 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 Yay! We're in Disneyland! We're in Disneyland! Oh. Marathon.
So mula sa Disney Arc, you still need to walk a little further to reach the entrance. Dito nyo na kailangang i-present yung ticket nyo if nakapag-book na kayo online or buy a ticket on the spot.
Ang haba ng pila.
Ano na to?
Yung kaninang pila is just for security. Paglagpas mo doon, ito yung another pila for the ticket. Mahaba yung pila pero mabilis naman siya in fairness.
Ayan na nga at naiinip na siya kakapila. Disney na yarn. At syempre guys, smooth entrance na naman tayo dahil may ticket na kami agad from Klook. It was very hassle-free kasi i-scan lang nila yung barcode from the app or from the email you received and no need for printed copies. Natagalan lang kami kasi ang dami kong QR code. Sa Klook kasi guys, merong mga group package promo. Kinailangan ko din ihiwala yung sa parents ko since pasok sila sa senior age promo. No need to book anything para sa 3 years old and below since free sila.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. B, okay na yan. 2 seconds lang, B.
So guys, if pupunta kayo ng Disney on your birthday, may binibigay sila na birthday badge for
Can
free.
I get a birthday badge? Today is his birthday and her birthday, yes.
Today, 27.
Yep, both of them. Oh, thank you! Yay! Thank you! Yay!
So this one you can display so staff and Disney characters can greet you pag napansin nila. Honestly, it's the best policy lang to. Wala silang hinihinging ID or anything.
Happy birthday, baby ko! Pang momentos pa yan, ah! Wow!
I can't believe we get to experience this today. Thank you, Lord. Nasa happiest place on earth na talaga kami. This wasn't the plan talaga for my son's 2nd birthday. But since sumakto sa Hong Kong trip at free pa naman siya dito, we took the opportunity na isabay na lang sa birthday niya ang Disney Day. Yeah, he may not remember this day paglaki niya, but we will.
What's that, Jarvis? What's that?
So guys, ang technique talaga dapat namin, wala mo nang mag-picture taking anywhere para makasulit ng pila. Pero hindi, sa sobrang ganda at nakaka-amaze, hindi mo talaga mapipigilang mag-picture everywhere.
Feeling bagets ng mga senior, dai.
Ano ko ng rice natin? After the
Nakakanang. Wah!
So, as recommended by many people, unahin daw ang World of Frozen kasi ito talaga lagi ang may napakahabang pila since this is one of their newest attractions.
Gosh! We are in Frozen! Ah! So ganda! Arendelle! So ganda! Para kang nasa ano talaga, Frozen. Oh my gosh! Hi!
And guys, another cool thing dito sa Hong Kong, meron silang parking for strollers. Napaka-hassle-free. Legit talaga dito guys na safe ang gamit mo. Ilang beses na namin napatunayan. Sa Pinas kasi hindi to uubra.
Okay, finally, after how many hours, makakapila na kami for our first ride. Sobrang delayed ang first ride. As of 11:30 AM, dito lang nag-start yung pila. Yes! Thank you! Hi!
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Yel.
Yell?
Yes.
Like you're yelling?
Yes, like you're yelling.
It's a unique name.
Yes, it is.
Yes. And have you had a good day today, Yell?
Yep, this is our first ride.
Do you know the boats that you're getting on?
Yes.
I built them myself.
Oh,
So I
wow.
hope you enjoy them.
We
Let me
will.
know how they are.
Thank you. Are you excited to see Olaf? You're going to see Olaf. We'll wait for Olaf. Pati leggings mo. Ay, yung leggings ko din. Wow. Si Jarvis din? Wow. Nagtatay. Oh, Olaf! Olaf! Look, Olaf! There's Olaf, oh! Wow! There's Olaf! Baby ko, look, oh! Look, Jarvis! Look! Hi, Olaf! You say hi! You say hi! Say hi! Hala, natakot! Natakot! Ba't na gumagana? Ang laki ng ulo ni Olaf.
Happy Summer's Day! Amazing! Oh, I know. Where
Yes!
why these guys are not bread, correct? Manning bread! And Manning bread!
Yeah.
bread.
He was removed in the group chat. You want that? You want that, Olaf? No. No? Okay, no. Very good. Hindi masyado halata ang badge. Lipat natin sa harap.
By the way guys, inuuna namin yung mga rides na pwede yung age and height ng aking toddler para sabay-sabay pa rin kaming lahat. The plan B is to divide the group into two para may iiwang magbantay kay Jarvis.
As of 12 o'clock, ito ang pila. Yung pila ng English, sobrang bilis lang. Matagal yung sa pila ng ano, yung mga pang Chinese. Say hi.
Alright, so are you ready?
Yes!
Go! Turn around, say goodbye to my friends. Bye bye! And then we'll be back up the very, very long time. Peter, so let's go quickly. He's very, very naughty. Oh no, look at that. So many skeletons here. Look at that gorilla. He's playing the gun.
Based on recommendations from groups, napili namin dito kumain sa Royal Banquet Hall kasi dito may wide range of choices of food. For our lunch, we will order international food para may rice and to taste the trending baked rice na lagi ko nakikita sa mga groups. Grabe guys, nung nakita namin price list nila dito, sobrang right decision talagang mag-book ng meal voucher from Klook. Imagine, one meal can cost almost 1,000 pesos while yung meal voucher sa Klook is almost 1.5k lang, which includes lunch, snack, and dinner na. Sobrang sulit talaga. And one more tip guys, as I've mentioned from day 2, malalaki ang serving nila dito and good for sharing. So hindi kami lahat nag-avail ng meal voucher. Pati sa serving of food and payment, napaka-organized nila dito guys. Since it's my son's birthday at tulog pa siya, umalis ako saglit to look for the Mickey donut na gagawin naming cake niya. Kaso naman, dahil nga bagong gising, wala sa mood ng birthday boy at hindi ko din napilit kumain. Buti na lang, pwede mag-take out. It's free guys. Sa ganda ng lagayan nila, free lang to pero self-service. Habang tulog nga si Jarvis, hinayaan muna namin makapag-rides ang iba sa amin. They tried the Dumbo Flying Elephant, which is katapat lang ng Royal Banquet Hall. While waiting for them to finish, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami and sumilip sa souvenir shop. Saktong nagising na nga si Jarvis at tuwang-tuwa sa mga nakitang toys. Hay nako, sabi namin babalikan namin tong shop while waiting for the mementos. Pero guys, hindi na talaga namin siya nabalikan kaya manage your time talaga pag nandito kayo. Dapat habol kami for Lion King show kaso di na kami umabot so dumiretso na lang kami sa Mystic Point area for the next target rides.
Mystic Point. Harry Potter ata dito eh.
For better planning of your day here in Disneyland and talagang masulit na mga rides, download the Disney app to see wait time ng mga rides, schedule ng stage shows and parades, including schedules ng meet and greet with Disney characters, and of course, to access the map. Very helpful talaga siya, guys.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. That's you. Now run along. Well, say. Oh yes, welcome one and all.
Very nice, no? Monkey.
We're going to Grizzly! Guys, excited na ba tayo, guys? Ito ang mga pinaka-excited!
At syempre naman to complete the experience, dapat may medyo extreme ride naman tayong masakyan dito. Well, si Jarvis nga pala ay kasama ng lola at lola while resting at nag-iikot-ikot.
So excited! Kaming apat lang magkakapatid may gusto mag-Grizzly. 1, 2, 3. This is us before Grizzly.
Paano yung mga ano, first time?
This is us before Grizzly.
Para di masaya.
Mga 30 minutes na nakapila. Mabilis lang kasi dalawang salitan na roller coaster. So mabilis lang yung usad ng pila. Hi! Wow! Hawakan mo kamay ko. Hawakan mo kamay ko. Pinakabahan ka.
Okay ka ba? Okay ka lang?
Meron pa ata.
Okay ka lang? Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is us after Grizzly!
Dito kami kasi maluwag sa mga takbo eh.
Where Papa? Eto na nga at itutuloy na namin ang Lion King show since hindi kami umabot sa schedule kanina. Grabe guys, napadaan kami ulit ng Mystic Manor at grabe na ang pila pati sa ibang rides. So for sure, yun yung mga kakalabas lang from Lion King show. So make sure to consider that if gagawa kayo ng itinerary. Are you going to see Lion King? Lion King! Ano sabi ng lion? Roar! Are you going to see Lion King? Roar! Roar! We're going to watch Lion King! The Lion King! Magandang i-schedule yung mga ganitong indoor shows ng tanghali at kapag pagod na kayo at kailangan magpahinga. Kaya nga lang, dahil mas ramdam ang pagod ng nakaupo, medyo inantok ang karamihan sa amin. Although don't get me wrong guys ha, maganda yung show and sobrang amazing ng production nila. Sa ganda ng boses kasi nila, parang ang hinihel talaga na matulog na. After nga ng Lion King show, bumalik kami sa castle para makasulit pa ng pictures habang may araw pa. And to complete a mission na isa sa highlights ng aming Disneyland Day.
1, 2, 3.
Is it a yes? Yeah! Ito yung magic na inaantay mo. This is the magic!
Excited ka na mag-Disneyland? Yeah! You should! I don't like roller coaster!
Mga kanang. Wow! Congrats! Patingin ng ring! Patingin! Patingin! This is me after the proposal! Yay! Success! After the sweet proposal moment, diretso naman for another ride wherein ginamit na namin si Plan B dahil hindi pa pwede dito si Jarvis. While waiting for them, binalikan muna namin ang Frozen World dahil hindi nga pala kami nakapagpa-picture sa fountain na to as remembrance. Nag-mini photoshoot na rin kami for Jarvis's birthday dahil medyo nasa mood na siya. People are already waiting. Grabe. When it's our turn for Iron Man experience, pumuesto naman muna ang family ko for Momentos para meron kaming good spot. Yeah, walang pila. Walang pila kay Iron Man. Nasa Momentos na yung mga tao. Just a trivia guys, parehas kaming Marvel fan ni Hobby, lalo na siya. So this gives you an idea kung bakit Jarvis ang pangalan ng anak namin.
Plastic doors have opened. Please proceed.
After the ride, nakala namin makakaisang ride pa kami with Jarvis pero dumiretso na lang kami to claim our dinner meal dahil 8 PM pala ang Momentos nila today. Yung snacks nga pala guys, nawala na sa isip namin i-claim and dahil gabi na, nagkaubusan na din so medyo nakakahinayang. For dinner, sa Royal Banquet Hall pa rin kami pero this time, ibang meal naman. No rice to guys pero sobrang nakakabusog at masarap and again, ang laki ng serving. Dahil wala nang time mag-dine in, tinake out na lang namin tong lahat at kinain namin after Momentos.
Una guys, sa mga sinasakyan naming rides, nag-research na talaga kami ng mga available rides and watched videos. Tapos pumili kami ng top priority rides para wala kaming panghinayangan pag kinulang sa oras. Gladly, nasakyan naman namin lahat ng target namin, pero kulang talaga ang one day dito guys, sa totoo lang. Chuchui!
Umiti pa kami.
Hi! Last day na at ligpitan day na rin before we check out at 11 a.m. 7 p.m. pa ang flight namin mamaya kaya sinulit namin ang bawi ng pahinga from Disneyland yesterday.
The struggle is real. Ligpitan time. Ito na po ang another challenge of the day.
Grabe to guys, so ang linis pa rin ng shoes ko after 2 days straight na ginamit ko to. Legit talagang malinis ang kalsada dito. I love it. And as promised, here's a quick tour sa aming Airbnb guys. Simulan natin sa bedrooms. Malalaki ang bed nila dito. I guess this is queen size and kada room nga ay merong tag-dalawang bed. Nagkasya kaming 3 with Jarvis sa isang bed and comfortable kaming nakatulog. Ang cute din ng lampshade nila dito. Sarap iuwi. Bumili rin ako ng universal adapter pero hindi ko na siya masyadong nagamit since meron sila ditong hub na rekta USB connection. They also have clean towels available for each guest kaya nakabawas din sa baggage.
Hi! Hi! You wear your shorts na.
Here's the main bathroom naman. They have hand soap, tissue, they have shower with heater, may shampoo and body wash din na pang malakasan at sobrang bango nito guys kung pwede ko lang iuwi. Here's the other bedroom, same na same lang siya sa kabila. They also have this space para sa mga gamit, especially luggages. Here's the other bathroom.
Ito yung isa pang CR.
And ayan, iniwan ko na lang to kay owner for future guests. Here's the kitchen naman na kompleto din sa gamit. Pwede magluto. They also have rice cooker. Here's the lavabo. They also have washing machine. Microwave din. Nagamit namin to reheat food. Malaki din yung ref and halos di rin namin ito masyadong nagamit. Ito naman yung view sa labas kung curious kayo. And here's the living room na malawak. They have projector instead of TV pero hindi din namin ito nagamit kasi bagsak lagi pag uwi. Ito yung dalawang sofa nila na nagiging bed kaya this unit can accommodate up to 12 packs talaga. And here's the mini dining area with table and chairs. And for the Airbnb link, matik na yan guys, you can find it in the description box. By the way guys, few things I recommend. First is this milk powder storage bag. Very convenient and space saver for traveling. Next is this collapsible tumbler. Another space saver and lightweight. Pinaka-convenient to kahapon sa Disney since maraming refilling station doon. Ito din guys, collapsible tabo kasi hindi uso ang tabo at bidet sa Hong Kong even for most hotels. And this one, we have this as well para pag naghuhugas ng milk bottles. I have all the shop links available in the description box including yung mga hindi ko na nasama dito sa vlog. You can check that na lang guys. Since we still have time, dito na kami tumambay sa Citygate Outlets Mall para malapit na lang sa airport. Kumbaga, backwards ang ginawa namin ng day 1. At syempre, makikilocker tayo ulit ng gamit. Makikilocker sana, kaso nagkapunuan dahil Friday na, so tsinagana lang namin dalhin lahat and inipon sa isang place para makapag-window shopping pa tayo. Lunchtime na, so umakyat lang kami ulit sa food court nila at dun kumain. This time, nag-try naman kami ng ibang food since huling pag-explore na sa Hong Kong food. Since wala talaga kaming itinerary for today and chill day lang, inagahan na namin pumunta ng airport para dun gumala at hindi magahol sa oras.
Say hi.
Nako guys, hindi ko alam kung mali lang ba kami nang nababaan pero napakalayo ng nilakad namin para makarating sa mismong boarding gate. Pabor naman siya since nag-ubos kami ng oras and bas na-explore namin ang airport.
Ang ganda ng view ng airport dito, puro mountains. Hey guys, pauwi na kami. We're going home
to the place where we belong. What's the taste?
Yummy.
Yummy. How's the taste of the water? Bye-bye, Hong Kong. Thank you so much for the new experience, new learnings, and countless memories. My heart is so full talaga. This is a country we'll definitely visit again. Grabe, nabitin pa din kami sa 5 days, kaya may rason talaga to go back. I must say, Hong Kong is really a family-friendly trip, lalo na for your first out-of-country. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing and for this opportunity. Sana makadami pa kami ng family. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you liked and enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment and share this to your friends. And isabay nyo na rin mag-subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye!
To mention the potential risk of